Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the hidden photos folder on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Photos app and tap on Albums at the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom of Albums and you will see Hidden. Tap on it to open it. It will be locked. You can unlock it with your face or password depending on your settings. Here are your hidden photos. You can unhide a photo by opening it, tapping the three dots button in the top right, and then tapping Unhide from the menu. If when you scroll down to the bottom of Albums the hidden album isn't there, then you can turn it on by going to Settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Photos and open the Settings. Scroll down the Photos settings to show Hidden Album and turn on the toggle to the right of it. When you go back to the bottom of Albums now, the hidden album will be there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.